Hi everybody, happy Friday. We're going to do the unboxing of the Yankee Candle. I have my mini-me next to me. She's going to be the sniff tester because a lot of these I have not smelled ever in my life. And this is from the semi-annual sale. Beauty with Bridget. She sent over, she puts up notifications sometimes multiple times a day. She is on top of this. I don't know where she finds them all, but she does. And actually, she just put up a reminder that this deal is still good. So I'll tell you a little bit about the deal, but let's just jump into it because we have two big boxes here. I normally do take advantage if I hit it right of the semi-annual sale, but what was great about this was I didn't have to drive anywhere with the price of gas, and also I didn't have to carry heavy candles around the mall or the outlets, and free shipping. So I was able to sit right here and do it. So let's see what we got. Okay, are you ready to get smelling? I made my daughter a little, you know when you go for a fancy perfume, they give you the coffee grounds or coffee beans to smell to clean out your nose. So you start, let's just start with that.
So
I'm not going to put it on camera, but she's going to give us her impression of if she likes it. She loves candles, by the way. She has a whole drawer full of 8 candles.
No.
How many you got?
2. No, I only have 2.
You only have 2? Okay.
One's from Maine and one's from when I went to the outlets.
One's from Maine and one's when we went to the outlets. So one of them, ooh, they package it pretty nicely, huh? They're very heavy, okay? All right, you ready? Okay. So there's 3 big jars in this. No, 3, because there's nothing here. They have 2 types of deals going on. One was buy 2, get 2 free, but they're each $31. Another deal was 4 for $50, which makes them only $12.50 each. So I did that deal where they were 4 for $50. So they were $12.50 each. All right, let's start with this one. I'm going to show them first, and then we'll give you a chance to look at it.
I know that.
Okay,
I was going to smell good.
give it a whiff. Tell us what you think.
That smells like grain.
It smells like graham.
Yeah, it does. Smell it. It does.
What else does it smell like?
It smells like flowers. It does.
It does? Do you like it?
Not really. It doesn't really have a scent. But it does.
It kind of doesn't. And here it does. But it's weird when you smell in here. You don't really smell that much, do you?
No.
Here, smell it in here.
This one smells better than that one.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you like this one though? So this one is, I've never smelled this in my life. Sakura Blossom Festival. Very cool. And oh, and she gets to pick which one she wants at the end. Okay, next one.
Okay,
Though.
I feel it looks
Don't
like purple.
don't
It's my
look.
favorite color. I can already see it through the camera. It's Lavender Vanilla.
Ah, don't cheat.
And I read it backwards. I like that one.
Do you like it?
Yeah, 'cause it's my favorite color, and it just smells like lavender.
This is good? Okay. 2 for 2. So far she likes them all. Which she's picky, this one. This is a picky girl. Here, do you want to clean out your nose? With the coffee? How do you like the smell of that?
That's bad.
You don't like that. Okay. All right. Don't look the other way. Because I want it to be a surprise. All right. This is something you never think your mother would buy.
It's gonna be.
Like never.
It's
Okay,
something that you hate.
Ready? Look, the 4 for $50 were on clearance, so you kind of got what you got, all right? Ready?
Ew. Goodness. That makes my nose hairs curl.
It makes my nose hairs curl. What do you think? It does smell like it.
Tangerine.
Close, really close. Something you make me buy all the time, and then we cut
Oranges.
it. No, close.
Peaches.
And then you don't really eat it. No.
Bananas.
Do you like it, Dutchie? Oh, don't lick it. Mango.
Oh, I hate mangoes.
Well, sometimes you think you like them. All right, we're through box 1.
I also think I like coconut.
No, you do not like them. Mango peach. Oh, you were right. It has peach in it too. Mango.
Yeah, see?
She was partially right. All right. Box number 2. So if I went to the store and I just bought those 3 regularly, so they were like brand new, outcoming, they'd be $31 each. Say no sale at all, which I would never do. But I was getting my sale. But that would be $91, which is almost what I paid for the whole box. I mean, including this box too that we got.
Gotcha, that's a knife.
Oh. I got this. They had this on the dollar. They had $1 deals and $3 deals. It's just a leather smelling, like to keep your car smelling like leather. You know, new car fragrance. So, ooh, it really does smell like leather. It smells like, I can't believe how much that smells like leather.
Ew!
Well, it's not like you. I mean, maybe some people want it. Okay.
That was nasty. Ooh. Can we do the blue one first?
All right, we'll do the blue one first. Okay. Okay, close your eyes. I don't want you to see.
That was the one that didn't win.
All right, we ready?
I can already tell by your eyebrows.
What? That I like it or I don't like it? Can you tell if I like it or not like it?
Something beach.
You're so close. She said it's
I feel
something beach.
I feel like I've smelled this before.
You might have. We were just at the outlets like 4 weeks
Yeah, I
ago.
guess. I don't know. It's something beach. I don't know.
It is called Poolside Oasis. I love it. That smells really good. You don't love it?
Well, I like it, but I wouldn't buy it. I would like it.
Okay. Okay, ready?
If I look the other way.
Go. Don't look in the camera. This is for gifts, you guys.
Gotcha.
Wait, now try that one out. Take a big whiff.
Oh, it's Christmas. Like it's, it smells like the tree. It smells like our house when it's Christmas time.
It does. Oh my God, you are really good at this. I can't believe it. It's called Holiday Bayberry.
That smells like our house.
And it has a
at
picture of a
Christmas time.
tree. It does smell like our house. Like, I can't believe how good you are at this.
You always make the house smell like that.
Do you want to clean your nose out? Oh. And that's what the fancy people say. Coffee cleans the nose out. I mean, if you're smelling a lot of smelly things.
Do that one.
You want to do this one next? Okay, we're going
I
for
can't
the
see it.
top one.
I'm looking and it looks like the same thing. No, it looks like the same thing.
It is. That's a dupe. We got 2 of those. The one that smells like graham. All right, we'll put that one back in. All right, we'll do this one next. Don't look.
You don't like it, I can see it. I like that. It smells like a teddy bear.
You cheater. You're a cheater.
No, you know what it
She
smells-
said it smells like a teddy bear. Come on.
No, it just...
I understand when you said it smells like Christmas, but to say it smells... You peed.
No, but it does smell like when you clean my laundry.
Yeah, soft blanket. That smells really good. We got 2 soft blankets. This would be nice. I know somebody who just had a baby. A nice little baby gift with something else. Maybe I could cricket something, circuit, whatever the heck it's called. Okay. Close your eyes. One last one, you guys.
What is that?
What do you think that
It
was?
smells like leaves.
Smells like leaves?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. Silver birch.
That does
It
not-
is a tree. It reminds me of those nasty clean wipes Daddy bought that I didn't like, that I go, you gotta throw them out. I can't even deal with this. So that's what we got, you guys. I actually thought I had a couple little small votive ones, but I guess I don't. But all said with tax, it was 108, and I got 8 of the, I don't don't know how, it doesn't tell you
I
how
like
many,
that lavender
it
one.
doesn't tell you how many ounces it is. Maybe on the packing paper it does. Well, no, it doesn't, but it's just the large jar. So I'll have to look up how many ounces that is for y'all if you're interested. How many? Oh, duh. Sorry. 22 ounces. I feel like that's good. They came out to, like I said, $12.50 a piece, which even at my love, the Dollar General, they're like little candles, cost me $5, so I feel like this was a really, really good deal. Thank you, Beauty with Bridget. Thank you to my beautiful assistant over here. You did amazing, especially I can't believe how, except for the cheating on the teddy bear one, there's no way you could go, oh, it smells like a teddy bear. Everybody, it smells like laundry kind of, huh? The soft blanket, but to say teddy bear. So next time I'm going to have to push her further away so she can't see when I show you guys. Thanks for joining me. BoxyCharm will be in soon. And I also did the Drop Shop BoxyCharm sale where, because I haven't bought any makeup since 2020. What would you consider the shape of my makeup to be in, hon?
That's not my fault.
I didn't say it was your fault.
No, I know, you're going to blame me.
No, I'm not going to blame you. But what would you consider the shape of my makeup? Broken?
I gave you one palette that wasn't broken. You still haven't used it.
I'm working on it. But do you think that my makeup looks good?
You're not wearing it.
No, not what I'm wearing right now, but if you were to go say, I want to go look through this person's makeup, and you look through my makeup, what would you think?
It was bad because you always get a foundation way too dark.
Okay, well, I always get a foundation way too dark, but just believe me, the shape of my makeup is bad. I'm going to show you. And when we get to Ulta for her skincare, I get so confused with everything going on in there, I don't know what to buy. So that's why I consider going back to BoxyCharm, just so I can get some pieces and learn how, like new things and learn how to use them. So that should be in. It's shipped. So anytime now. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another unboxing and God knows what else in the meantime. Want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye.